SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable Safari cookies on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you were previously having trouble with the Safari browser, then one of the things that you might have tried was to block all cookies. But if you fix that problem and you want to start using your browser normally, but you're finding that you're not able to stay signed into accounts or add items to a shopping cart, then you might still have the Safari cookies blocked. You can enable Safari cookies by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Safari option from this menu, and then you can scroll to the bottom of this screen until you find the Advanced option, which you can then select. Now you just need to find this Block All Cookies option here under Privacy, and then tap the button to the right of it to turn it off. That's going to re-enable normal cookie usage in Safari, so if you go back into Safari, you can start navigating through different web pages, and you should be able to sign into accounts and add items to carts or perform other actions that require cookies. One other thing to take note of when you're in the Safari browser is to make sure that you're signed into the regular browsing mode instead of private. If you're in private browsing mode, which you can tell by opening up the tab icon here at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you're going to see this little slider here with a private option and then another option that shows a number of tabs. Normal browsing mode is the one that shows the number of tabs. If you open up the normal browsing tab, you'll see that the icons at the bottom of the screen are outlined in blue, whereas if you're in private mode and you open up one of the tabs, then the icons are outlined in black.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.